Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe Potter and this is the Vintage Underground. I'd like to do a quick update on this Ferrari 330. If you've seen this from previous videos, this is a full build, bottom up, the whole full Monty. Exciting because now it is down on its feet. The rear suspension is finally in. We had fuel tank goes in and then the rear suspension, it's a roller again. It's off the rotisserie, so pretty cool, pretty excited. And it's fun at this stage because big chunks go together and all of a sudden it's there, you know. The rear suspension was all assembled and ready to go in, but once it's there, it actually goes in pretty quickly because it's all restored and done. And anyway, it all comes together, and it's these big moments that are pretty exciting. The other thing they did just yesterday is they mounted the doors, and this is also exciting, you know, because all this was fitted in. The last time we have seen this as a complete together as a unit was before paint. And these doors, of course, were all fitted, the gaps set, and you can see the gaps are just spot on. And it's exciting to see it in color when it goes back together, and just how nice the gaps have come out. These just got hung yesterday. Bill is making great progress. He is starting to assemble the doors. You can see the hardware going together, the receiver and the catch and the two alignments. So I will not close it because I don't know where he's at on assembly. But all that's coming together. You can start to see there's rods in the doors. Some of the door locks and mechanisms are coming together. The engine and trans are not yet in. We probably would have put the engine and trans in before we did the doors. We ended up with a problem on the engine. There's a Series 1 and Series 2 of these cars, and the clutch covers are different. And the pilots on the clutch is different, the clutch cover, and the pilots out of the transmissions are different. We ended up with an early. This is a late. We didn't catch it. It's just, they're not that different and it's not that noticeable, but you're mating them together, that's when it happens. So anyway, we got one coming. It's not a huge deal, but it shut us down for a couple days on dropping the engine and trans in. The kind of stuff happens. It's just how it is. So flying along, the next big step will be the engine and trans in here, and I'm pretty excited for that to happen. This thing's going to start coming together really fast. It's gorgeous so far. Love this color and the paintwork on this car, so I'm really pretty excited. I think that's it. We'll update you again here as this moves. It's moving quickly, and we'll keep you up on what we're doing with it. So I think that's it. Please do like and subscribe. We appreciate you, and see you on the next one.